Welcome to my channel IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. 5th chapter Ratio and Proportion. Problems and concept application. First problem, P and Q's expenditures are in proportion to the ratio of their incomes. Expenditures are proportional to the incomes. P's income is rupees 32,000 and his expenditure is rupees 24,000. If Q's expenditure is 36,000, find the income of Q. Find the income of Q. Therefore, let the income of Q be X. The income of Q be X rupees. P's and Q's expenditures are in proportional to the ratio of their incomes. So, ratio of the expenditures of P and Q. Ratio of expenditures. Ratio of expenditures is equal to P's income and his expenditure. P's expenditure is 24,000 is to Q's expenditure is 36,000. Ratio of their expenditures. This ratio is proportional to their incomes. Expenditures are proportional to their incomes. Therefore, ratio of the expenditure is equal to ratio of their incomes. Therefore, ratio of the income of P and Q is P's income is 32,000. The ratio of their incomes. Ratio of incomes is equal to P's income is 32,000 and Q's income is X. So we have to find the income of Q. Let it be X. Therefore, Q's income is X. మనం ఏది కనుక్కోవాలో దాన్ని X అనుకున్నాం. Find the income of Q అన్నారు కాబట్టి Q's income X అనుకున్నాము. So ratio of the incomes of P and Q is 32,000 is to X. These two are equal because the expenditures are in proportion to the ratio of their incomes. Therefore, these two ratios are equal. That is 24,000 is to 36,000 is as 32,000 is to X. That means 24,000, 36,000, 32,000 and X are in proportion. So according to rule of proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. Therefore, the product of extremes, that is 24,000 into X, is equal to the product of means 36,000 into 32,000. Therefore, X is equal to 36,000 into 32,000 by 24,000. 24,000. 3 zeros and here 3 zeros gets cancelled. 24. 12 2s 24. 12 3s 36. 3 zeros. And 2 1s 2 16s 32. So 16 3s 48,000. 16 into 3. 16 3 is 48,000. Therefore, this is rupees. That is X is equal to 48,000. That is the income of Q is 48,000. Therefore, in the options, option C is correct. Next, second problem. If X plus 1, X minus 3, X plus 6 and X are in proportion, then X is equal to dash. These four numbers taken in order, X plus 1, X minus 3, X plus 6 and X are in proportion. Therefore, according to law of proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. The product of extremes X into X plus 1 is equal to the product of means X minus 3 into X plus 6. So this is X square plus X and this is X into X, X square x into 6, 6x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into 6, minus 18, because minus into plus, minus 3 into 6, 18. So this is equal to x square plus 6x minus 3x, 3x minus 18. Therefore, x square plus x is equal to this. X square gets cancelled. Therefore, 3x, taking this x to this side, this becomes 3x minus x. And bringing this minus 18 to the left side, it becomes 18. Therefore, 3x minus x is equal to 2x. That means 2x is equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 by 2. That is equal to 9. Therefore, option A is correct. Next, third problem. If we distribute 57 chocolates into 3 friends, A, B and C, in the ratio 1 by 3 is to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 4, then find the number of chocolates received by C. First, we will convert this ratio into the ratio of natural numbers. For this, find the LCM of the denominators. 3, 2, 4. So 2. These two are divisible by 2. Therefore, 3 is not divisible. Therefore, write it as it is. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4. So then LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 1 into 2. That is 2 3 6, 6 2 so 12. LCM is 12. Therefore, 1 by multiplying each of the terms in the ratio by LCM, we get 1 by 3 into 12 is to 1 by 2 into 12 is to 1 by 3 by 4 into 12. So 3 4s 12, 2 6 12, 4 3s 12. That is equal to 4 is to 6 is to 3 3s 9. The ratio is 4 is to 6 is to 9. Therefore, the share or number of chocolates received by C, that is the third share, 9. 9 by total parts, that is 4 plus 6 plus 9 into total chocolates distributed, 57. That is equal to 9 by 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19 into 57. 19 ones, 19 threes, 57. That is equal to 9 threes, 27. Therefore, number of chocolates received by C is 27. That is option B is correct. 27.